Investing is the act of allocating money or resources into various assets or ventures with the expectation of generating a positive return over time. The goal of investing is to grow one's wealth and achieve financial objectives. There are different types of investments, each with its own level of risk and potential return. Some common investment options include stocks, owning shares of a company, which represents a partial ownership stake. Stock prices can fluctuate based on the company's performance and market conditions. Bonds, issued by governments or corporations. Bonds are debt instruments where investors lend money in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of the principal amount at maturity. Mutual funds, pools of money from various investors used to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Professional fund managers make investment decisions on behalf of the investors. Real estate, investing in properties like residential or commercial real estate with the potential for rental income and property appreciation. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, similar to mutual funds, ETFs are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, offering exposure to various assets and sectors. Commodities, investing in physical goods like gold, silver, oil, or agricultural products. Prices often fluctuate based on supply and demand dynamics. Cryptocurrencies, digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have gained popularity as a speculative investment class. When investing, it's crucial to consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, investment horizon, and diversification to create a well-balanced portfolio. Diversifying across different asset classes can help mitigate risk by spreading your investments across various sectors and markets. Investing always carries some level of risk, and the potential for higher returns is typically associated with higher risk. It is essential to conduct thorough research, understand the investment products you're considering, and, if needed, seek advice from financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Remember that past performance is not indicative of future results, and investing always carries the risk of loss.